been a good day in office because Gor Mahia one more time has won the league. What we now need to do is to prepare adequately for the Continental Championships. We are looking forward working together with the office to beef up the team so that it can be formidable enough for the Continental Championship.
I'm so happy that we have won the unprecedented 21st league title. Compare the fact that the second is 13. You will understand why I am so overjoyed.
Extremely pleased, extremely proud of the boys. You know, we said to them before the game, look, go out and put it all together. All the lessons that we've tried to impart on them over the last 2 years and really put in a statement performance. And, you know, the whole game, but the first half, we were absolutely excellent. You know, we fully deserved the goal, but, like, I'd love to see the possession statistics for the first half. Like, every time Muhoroni got the ball, we took it right back off them. You know, the game was largely played in the attacking half for us, and the guys were just excellent. And, you know, it could have been more. You know, we're greedy here at Kogalo. We want as many goals as possible, but three was a very good performance. We stand here as champions, 11 points clear of second place. Obviously, we won last year on the last day of the season with a very young team. And so, you know, we've taken them back. And I really hope that, you know, as I go away from here, that we've put foundations in place to make sure that Kogalo go forward over the next, not just 1 or 2 years, but the next 10 years, to not just, again, dominate Kenyan football, but also to really make a mark on the continental scene in the inter-club competition.